Title: Unraveling the Enigmatic Web: The True-to-Life Origins of Mythical Creatures in Human History. An expanded examination. In the vast tapestry of human history, mythical creatures have weaved an intricate, captivating pattern, enchanting our minds and fueling a boundless array of tales. These elusive beings, shrouded in mystery and fear, have traversed cultural boundaries, appearing in folklore and mythology across the globe. However, what if we were to turn the page and explore the real-world origins of these enigmatic beings? This text embarks on an exciting journey to unveil the fascinating connections between these stories and the wonders of our prehistoric past. One such example is the Gigantopithecus, a colossal ape-like creature that once roamed Asia and Europe millions of years ago. Standing over 10 feet tall and weighing up to 4,600 pounds, it was undoubtedly an imposing figure. Today, it is often speculated that the Gigantopithecus may have inspired the legends of Bigfoot, the elusive North American ape man. Although Bigfoot remains elusive, the similarities between the two are strikingly apparent, leading many to ponder whether there may be some truth hidden behind the myth. The Gigantopithecus, a creature of immense size and power, would have been a formidable presence in any environment. Its colossal stature and aggressive behavior may have been interpreted as supernatural by our ancient ancestors. This misinterpretation could have led to the creation of legends about Bigfoot, a creature of similar size and physicality, but with supernatural abilities. The Gigantopithecus's extinction around 100,000 years ago may have added to the mythos, as its absence could have been attributed to its magical powers or a curse. Another mythical creature with roots in the natural world is the yeti, a snowy mountain dweller from the Himalayas. For centuries, tales of the yeti have circulated among the locals, describing a large, hairy, and bipedal creature with supernatural strength. However, modern science has cast light on the true identity of this enigmatic being. DNA analysis of samples collected from the Himalayas have suggested that the yeti is likely a misidentified Himalayan brown bear. While it may not possess supernatural powers, the yeti's legend serves as a testament to the power of human imagination and the way we've sought to explain the unknown throughout history. The yeti, a creature of the high mountains, would have been a formidable adversary for our ancestors who ventured into these treacherous regions. Its massive size and mysterious behavior could have easily been attributed to supernatural origins. The similarities between the yeti and the Himalayan brown bear are undeniable, but the yeti's legend has evolved to include supernatural abilities and otherworldly origins. This transformation is a testament to the power of human imagination and the way we've shaped our understanding of the world around us. The Kraken, a sea monster of Norse mythology, is another example of a mythical creature with real-world roots. Described as a colossal, tentacled beast that could drag ships underwater, the Kraken has instilled fear and trepidation for centuries. However, modern research suggests that the Kraken may have been based on giant squid and colossal squid, two of the largest invertebrates on the planet. These creatures, with their enormous tentacles and ability to produce fearsome noises, are not far removed from the terrifying image of the Kraken. The Kraken, a creature of the deep sea, would have been a formidable opponent for ancient mariners. Its massive size and mysterious behavior could have easily been attributed to supernatural origins. The similarities between the Kraken and giant squid are undeniable, but the Kraken's legend has evolved to include otherworldly powers and a fearsome reputation. This transformation is a testament to the power of human imagination and the way we've shaped our understanding of the world around us. Other mythical creatures, such as the Cyclops, jackalope, Siberian unicorn, mermaid, griffin, rock gnome, bunip, and hobbits also have real-world counterparts. The Cyclops, a one-eyed giant from Greek mythology, may have been inspired by the real-life Protoceratops, a dinosaur with a single large horn on its forehead. The jackalope, a mythical creature that combines the features of a jackrabbit and antelope, is a product of American folklore, with the first documented sighting occurring in the 1930s. The Siberian unicorn, a large horned rhinoceros that roamed Asia and Europe during the Ice Age, may have given rise to the legend of the unicorn. Mermaids, those enchanting half-human, half-fish creatures, have been a part of folklore for centuries. Although there is no scientific evidence to support their existence, the origins of the mermaid legend may lie in the encounter between sailors and manatees, large aquatic mammals that resemble mermaids due to their rounded bodies and flippers. The griffin, a legendary creature with the body of a lion and the head and wings of an eagle, is thought to be based on the lammergeier, a bird of prey with a keen sense of sight and powerful talons. Rock gnomes or bunips are another example of mythical creatures with real-world roots. These small, humanoid creatures were said to live in rocks and stones, and were often associated with mines and minerals. However, the bunip may have been inspired by the dwarf lemur, a small primate that is native to Madagascar and has a habit of hiding in the crevices of rocks. Hobbits, small humanoid creatures that were the focus of J.R.R. Tolkien's epic fantasy series, The Lord of the Rings, have also been the subject of much debate regarding their real-world counterparts. Although no species exactly resembling the hobbit has been discovered, some have suggested that the Denisovans, an extinct hominid species, may have been the inspiration for the hobbit's physical characteristics. However, not all mythical creatures can be traced back to real-world counterparts. Two such examples are the Loch Ness Monster and the Chupacabra. The Loch Ness Monster, a creature said to inhabit the waters of Loch Ness in Scotland, has been the subject of numerous sightings and investigations since the first reported sighting in 1933. Despite numerous attempts to find evidence of its existence, no definitive proof has been found, leading many to conclude that it is a myth. The Chupacabra, a creature said to prey on livestock, especially goats, in Latin America, is another example of a mythical creature. Sightings of the Chupacabra have been reported since the early 1990s, with descriptions of the creature varying greatly. However, subsequent investigations have revealed that many of the Chupacabra sightings can be attributed to sick dogs with mange, not an alien creature, as some have suggested. These connections between mythical creatures and their real-world counterparts provide a valuable insight into the human imagination and the way we've sought to explain the unknown throughout history. They serve as a reminder that even the most fantastical of creatures may have roots in the natural world, and that the boundaries between reality and myth are often blurred as we continue to explore the mysteries of our planet and the depths of our imagination. Who knows what other connections we may uncover? The world of mythical creatures is a fascinating and ever-changing landscape, and the search for their real-world origins is a journey that never ends. Furthermore, these connections offer a unique perspective on the evolution of human culture and the stories we've told throughout history. They reveal how our ancestors sought to explain the unfamiliar, whether it be a colossal ape-like creature or a mysterious sea serpent. These tales, passed down from generation to generation, have not only entertained us, but also shaped our understanding of the world around us. Moreover, the real-world origins of these mythical creatures serve as a testament to the power of human imagination. They show us that even the most fantastical of creatures may have roots in the natural world, and that our minds have the ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. This power of imagination is a fundamental aspect of what makes us human, and it is a power that we should celebrate and nurture. In conclusion, the real-world origins of mythical creatures offer a fascinating insight into the human imagination and the way we've sought to explain the unknown throughout history. They serve as a reminder that even the most fantastical of creatures may have roots in the natural world, and that the boundaries between reality and myth are often blurred. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our planet and the depths of our imagination, who knows what other connections we may uncover? The world of mythical creatures is a fascinating and ever-changing landscape, and the search for their real-world origins is a journey that never ends. This exploration of the real-world origins of mythical creatures is by no means exhaustive. There are countless other examples of creatures that have been the subject of myth and legend, and many of these may also have real-world counterparts. The connections between these stories and the wonders of our prehistoric past serve as a reminder of the rich tapestry of human history and the boundless power of human imagination. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our planet and the depths of our imagination, who knows what other connections we may uncover? The search for the real-world origins of mythical creatures is a journey that never ends, a testament to the endless fascination of the human mind.